Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to pair your V8 intercom with the remote control. And first we turn on the V8 intercom first. And here we see the battery. It is used inside the remote control. We open it. And put the battery inside. Here is the positive side. We put it on the top. The remote control will works automatically, so you don't have to press any buttons on it. Now we press on the volume buttons of the V8 intercom. We press these two buttons together. And you will see the blue light keeps stable on the V8 intercom. And now we start to use the remote control. First we need to motivate the remote control by pressing the power button. And then we need to press either two buttons of the remote control, and like button A and button B together, or volume up, volume down, these two buttons together. And I chose these two buttons. Either is okay. We press this. And you'll see the light on the remote control is start to flashing. That means these two have been paired. Now the remote control can use to control your intercom on the helmet. And this remote control is used to install on your motorcycle handlebar. See here? And now we'll try if the remote control works. First we turn on the FM radio on the intercom. Do you remember how? We press on button A like about 3 seconds. So it works. You can hear the FM radio. And we try to choose the radio frequency from the remote control. We press on these buttons. So it played to the next. And we press again. So it turns to the next radio frequency. And we try this, so we can listen to the previous radio frequency. And it works too. And we try to adjust the sound. First we lower the voice. We hold the buttons and lower the sound. So you can hear the sound is lower, and we press this to make the sound louder. We hold these buttons until the sound is okay. Now you can tell the sound is louder. And here also we can use the remote control on your handlebar to control your helmet, to control your intercom, which is installed on the helmet. So it is very easy to use. And now we quit the FM radio by pressing button A about 3 seconds. Yes, and now we quit the FM radio.